Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, January 6th. Let's find out what's on our number corner calendar. Seeing equations and story problems. What will we see today? What do you think it'll be? A story problem or an equation? Let's find out. Whoa, we have another equation. Something plus 3 equals 6. Something plus 3 equals 6. Do you have any idea what it could be? Let's go to our calendar grid, type in our information. Something plus 3 equals 6. We are then going to move over and put in our number. Something equals this big number 6 here. Let's put it there. Let's put it here. 6 is our big number. We know one of the numbers on the bottom is 3. We don't know the other number yet. Let's see if we can figure out what that other number can be. We have 3 jump ropes. We need 6 jump ropes. I'm sorry, not we need. We would like to have 6 jump ropes. How many more jump ropes do we need? Something plus 3 equals 6. What do you think that something is, class? You have 3, and you're trying to get to the number 6. How many more jumps would you need to make? Did you say 3? Fantastic. You are absolutely correct. 3 plus 3 would equal that big number 6. Good job. We'll add the 3 here to our number tree, so our number trees are always complete. And as we see, the 2 numbers on the bottom do equal that big number on the top. 3 plus 3 does equal 6. Good job. Let's go to our days in school now. We're going to add another day to our calendar, to our chart. And now we have 77 days in school together. Change our information here to show 77. We're writing the number word 77. 77 is made up of 7 groups of 10, which we saw in the other chart, and 7 ones. 70 plus 7 does make the big number 77. Let's now continue to explore our information. We're going to go and add another coin to our chart. Let's see, will it be dimes? Will it be pennies? Will it be both? Let's find out. 4 more pennies. Here we go. 1, 2. You see the front and back of the pennies? 3, 4. Now, I want to ask you, friends, dimes are worth how much? Remember, penny, 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 worth 1 cent. Nickels are worth 5. Dimes are 10. So now we have 4 more pennies we've added to our chart. We have 2 dimes and now a total of 8 pennies. Wow. We're going to count all of these coins soon, at the end of the week, to find out how much we have all together. What I'd like to do now is ask you to do something with me. We are going to work on a number frame, but we're going to talk today about doubles plus or minus 1, and this will not take long. If I put 1, 2, 3 dots on the top and 3 dots on the bottom, this would show 3 plus 3, which is just what we had on our calendar for the day. What is 3 plus 3? It is 6. Very good. So that's a double. That's a double. 3 plus 3 is 6. I'll write it out for you so you can see that. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then, dears, if we take that information and think about, wow, if I know this, then I know what a doubles plus or minus 1 is. And you may say, Mrs. Graham, what does that mean? I'll show you. This is a double. What if I added 1 more to this? Now, instead of 3 plus 3, it is 4 plus 3. I've just added 1 more. What is that new answer? It's a doubles plus 1. And that answer is 7. Very good, all stars. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. What if I added another here? And now we have 8 altogether. 8 altogether. That is 4 plus 4, which equals 8. And that's another double. What if I took that double and added 1 more? Now, instead of it being 4 plus 4, it is now 5 plus 4, which is a doubles, 4 plus 4, plus 1 more. What is 5 plus 4, class? 9. Good job. Good job. We're going to continue to study these doubles plus and minus 1 throughout the month. But I wanted to get you started with this now. Be prepared for more information like this. Have a great day.